As we learned in class, there are 15 principles that can be placed into the acronym FOCUS. The letters in FOCUS stand for Formulate, Organize, Contrast, Unify, and Simplify. Under Formulate, there's Message, Audience, and Sketches. Organize has Shape, Proximity, and Alignment. Contrast has Asymmetry, Value, and Color. Unify has Repetition, Rhythm, and Gestalt. And Simplify has Evaluation, Elimination, and Communication. For this assignment, I'm going to use Message, Alignment, Asymmetry, Repetition, and Communication. As far as message goes, the American Cancer Society does a good job conveying its message above the fold. There are calls to action for donation at the top, and their paragraph, Every Cancer, Every Life, describes exactly how they're visualizing ending cancer. Fabletics, on the other hand, was very unclear about what their objective is. It seems to be athletic-looking clothing, but there's no company goals or calls to action displaying what they want customers to know. Then there's alignment. Nike does a very good job of keeping everything clean and cut. Everything is center aligned, menus, headings, pictures, and it all is easy to understand what goes together. Our school website, on the other hand, is very unaligned. The menu bar is completely off-centered. There's shapes overlapping pictures, and even some of the links are hanging off the shapes onto the picture as well. So it just looks really disorganized and unappealing to the eye. Then there's asymmetry. Some of the ways to get bold using this is varying shapes, blurring backgrounds, breaking the rules. The Ronald McDonald House does this with a picture and the number 50 to add some whim. And they also include this really neat feature that shows their achievements right alongside a changing map in order to visually illustrate them for the viewers. On the other hand, Yvette's formal and bridal wear is a complete overload of asymmetry. There's too many words, colors, the typography is completely conflicting, and it's just really unappealing to the eye. Now, repetition. Khan Academy does a good job of its consistency as far as design goes. Each little graphic on the page and picture frame has the same sort of drawn shape look, and it adds a bit of whimsy since this is a learning service for children. It's a good feature as far as target market. The website for Yale School of Art in Connecticut, however, does not have any consistency throughout the page. There's a lack of a logo, and the shapes and colors are totally inconsistent, really just conflicting all over. Lastly, there's communication. St. Jude website does a very good job of communicating its message. The saying, "Finding Cures, Saving Children," is displayed immediately. These 4 links here describe exactly what viewers need to know about the website and the organization. And then with donations being its primary conversion, the stories of impact here are really good as far as emotional appeal, not to mention their goals, missions, and commitments are all displayed throughout the website. On the other hand, SaveTheChildren.org is very vague. At first, it was unclear what exactly they want viewers to know, and I really had to click these "Who are we and what do we do" links to understand what the donations were going towards and how it was impacting lives.